But even for the fastest animal on land, speed is not enough. To be successful out here requires more than physical ability. It requires strategy. A cheetah's takeoff point is critical. Her top speed can only be maintained for just a few seconds. To be successful, she must get within just 30 meters of her prey, undetected. Picking the right target is vital. Something small enough to handle. The final stalk begins. The mothers block her path. But in a flat-out chase, nothing can outrun a cheetah. Too lightweight to jump on top, she must trip her prey. Missed. But having timed her run to perfection, she still has energy to try again. This cheetah hunt may have been successful, but nearly 60% of hunts end in failure.